Some may wonder, why would you go to a place of vast wilderness, unforgiving terrain, seclusion, possible insanity, a million bugs, portages that can feel like a painful moment, but yet a fun experience. Let me show you this great wilderness called Boundary Waters. Okay, that water is really moving. This place is beautiful though. The moment I've been waiting for. Oh shit. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. What a trip just to get here. I went through 5 portages. The last one was my biggest one. This is day one of my 7-day Boundary Waters trip. Everybody always tells you your first day is probably going to be the hardest. They weren't kidding. Everything seemed like it was going a little smoothly, and then all of a sudden I thought I was on a portage, and I was not. We actually had to paddle up the side of the rapids just to get to the portage. Just a little rough. Sorry, my GoPro is just now getting turned on. I've been just trying to move. I pulled out, recorded some off my camera, and then the weather came in and it started raining, so I put my camera away. I didn't want to dig in my bag and pull out my GoPro stuff. We'll go over everything once I get to camp. The portaging is done today. That is it for all the portages I have to do. But as for camp, I'm in the area, or I should be looking for camp, and there's quite a few different campsites around here, so I'll definitely keep a sharp eye out. But the weather's been overcast most days, and then it rained a little bit, not too bad. I've just been trying to move and trying to navigate this. It's the first time for everything. First time for camping, first time for a lot. So I'm here, what I told you I would be out here doing. Sorry, I gotta show you off the GoPro because my other camera's being all screwy right now. I gotta let it rest. Maybe it might fix itself by tomorrow, but yeah, that's some of the stuff they provide with all of this. And this is my food bag. It's about a week's worth of food right there.
Those loons are going crazy right now. It is awesome. Yeah, after I cook this steak, I'm just gonna let this fire die. I'm tired. Everything's damp around here and there really isn't a very good wood source right now. Well, I hope my camera dries out. Ah, crap. I can't see anything on the screen now. I'm basically shooting blindly. I had my camera in the bag and gosh, I wasn't thinking. I should have gave it more time to dry out. I don't know if anybody's even seeing this. Just have to give it time. Day one, folks. Day one. Never had this happen before. It's my fault. Oh, do I look ridiculous? Kind of need it right now. If I want to sit out here and enjoy this, yeah. Mosquitoes are about to come in full force because it's about to be sunset, and as soon as sunset hits, they just come out and like crazy, I guess. Happened to me at my hotel twice, and I wasn't even anywhere near water. Yeah, unfortunate. I've been sipping on this rival Stoke S'morgasm S'mores whiskey. I guess I'm just bummed out about my camera. The LCD screen is not showing anything. Sometimes it does now. So I'm just gonna not use it for a bit. I mean, I guess I can use it. I just can't see what I'm doing. So maybe tomorrow it might be better after sitting, because it seems like it's working better when I'm letting it sit. And well, I want to get some amazing shots out here. Like, this has like some of the best stargazing ever, and I bought a new lens just so I can. They see them? They're upset. They're trying to get into my head. Not today, mosquitoes. Not today. This place is beautiful, though. Like, don't get me wrong, it is wow. It is just breathtaking. I needed this. I needed the breakaway. I needed, like, the real wilderness experience. Like, what I get in Colorado, you can say such things, but just you come out here, I won't hear any planes. And here soon, I won't see any people. Tomorrow will be my first full day out here. So I will definitely plan on pushing pretty far and seeing. I'm trying to get to a good spot tomorrow, so that way I can stay there all day Wednesday. I'm going to be celebrating my 35th birthday on Wednesday out here. I got a growler of blueberry blonde beer that's Minnesota based. I had a pint of it in town on Saturday. It's pretty good. So I got a growler of it that's like sealed, and once you break that seal, you have to drink it all. Sorry, my feet are itchy. But No, I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate you watching, sticking through. If you're new to my channel, I will definitely do a lot. I've got a lot to show and a lot to display, so just hoping to see if the sunset turns out pretty nice. It's still a little cloudy out, so I kind of wonder what the star action will be like tonight. Not tonight. I was looking at the weather for the next few days, and it looks amazing. So I guess we'll see. Last shot of the night. This is the mosquito shot because the mosquitoes are buzzing. Cheers. Oh yeah. Best darn mosquito shot I've ever had. With a head net on, out here in the Boundary Waters, watching beautiful sunset. There's some color happening. Yeah, everything that I need is put away for the night. And I don't know, I'll probably wake up early, make breakfast, and then hit the water, and then start my... Tomorrow will be a big day. Tomorrow I'm going to try and cover a lot of ground. That way I can rest all day Wednesday, and then Thursday I start working my way, and then Friday get a little closer. Saturday be where next to the portage, because they're going to pick me back up at 10:30. So I gotta meet my towboat. Oh yeah, it's just how this goes. Good morning. I am now leaving camp. I'm moving on to my next one. It's a little breezy out today. But I got a little bit of a journey ahead of me today. A couple portages, one medium and one small, to get to a lake that I'm gonna stay at for a couple days. So right now I'm gonna have to fight this headwind just to get there. Slept okay. Besides my air mattress, our air pad's got a slight leak in it. It lasts a while, and then it just deflates again. Couldn't see any stars. Still overcast. It's supposed to be cloudy most of the day. But, let the journey continue. Okay, that water is really moving. And crap, it makes. I'm gonna have to change my route up. I thought I could make it across that, but I try and I just get pushed back. And the waves get a lot bigger as you get further out. And the fact that I'm out here solo, I mean, I could cut across and follow up, but that takes so much longer. There's so many other routes that I can take while I'm out here, so I'm gonna start making my way towards the other direction and go with the wind instead of against the wind. Like I said, when you're out here, you can do what you want and change up as you like. Just when you do it in a way that keeps you safe and not in a way that puts you in danger. Oh man. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so I'm changing on my route a bit. I'm gonna do a series of other lakes and then just go from there. I made it to camp number 2. Went through a lot of yeah, it's pretty rough today. More so than yesterday. I only did one portage, but it was a big portage. It's like a mile long. So I'm on Beara Lake now. I was supposed to go in a whole other direction, but the weather just pushed me away. So I portaged down to a series of these lakes to come down here and fish and hang out and spend my birthday tomorrow here. I do like this spot though. It's pretty nice. Plenty of firewood. It was kind of exposed a little bit, but That's alright. So I'm gonna set up my tent. I don't even know if you can see this, hear this. I don't know. I really don't know anymore. I looked so long to come out here, and everything just starts falling apart. My air mattress is flat. The camera's not working. It really sucks. It does. I need my air mattress to get fixed, so I put stuff on there, but it's not working. I don't know what else to do. Yesterday, when I got out of my last portage, I had a bug fly directly into my ear, and I can feel him trying to burrow deeper in. And I don't know what kind of bug he was or what he was trying to do, but he knew what his goal was, and I had to get him out. You definitely got to wear a head net when you're out here. The last portage I did was just full of mosquitoes. They were just attacking me in every direction. It's hard. It really is. A trip like this, I've invested so much money and time into it all year long. I worked hard just so I could be here. I didn't bring my other air mattress or my air pad because it took up too much space. I didn't think about putting my camera in a dry sack, or I'd be able to flip the screen out and see that I'm actually recording everything. Otherwise, I could just be talking to a broken camera right now and don't even know. That canoe is hard to sit in for long durations. My ass goes numb. I took my sitting pad, I put that on there today thinking it would help. It's not helping. I don't know. That's hard. It's hard life out here. Oh, the sun's finally coming out. I have no idea. Fortunately, I'm probably going to have to take my camera in to get repaired. I've taken this camera through hell and back many, many times. And I leave it in my camera bag thinking it was safe. And I put it in the back of the boat and not thinking like all the water that's coming off my feet. And the boat, the way how it was kind of tilted, all the water kept rushing in the back. So basically my camera is just sitting. I'm just surprised it turned on right now. If it didn't turn on, then there would be no Boundary Waters video at all. So I know it's still recording because there's a little light in the back that still shines every time I'm hit the record button. So at least I know that. I just can't review anything. Waiting to see if my air mattress, or gosh, my air pad, we fixed it, put that repair stuff on there. It says it takes 2 hours before it dries. I did it at 1:30, so it's almost 3 o'clock. or just about 3 o'clock. And then maybe I'm gonna dry. You know, hopefully these clouds clear out. So that way I could see some stars tonight. I want to see the Milky Way and like how crazy it is out here. I definitely have a better firewood source over here than I did at the last campsite. So if all else, I'll be here tomorrow too. Got a lot of food, so I'm not worried about food. Later on, I'm just gonna hang my food bag and then jump in my boat, grab my poles, and go fish. See if I could catch anything. There's walleye in here, and I don't know if that's it. Maybe there's pike, some smallmouth, some largemouth. I have like the tiniest bit of service right here. It's weird. I'm still pretty far back in here. It would take like an additional day just to get to where I'm supposed to be picked up, so it's still got 5 more days out here. Try and make the best of it. Try and make the best of a shitty situation. I guess I was so excited about coming out here that there are certain things I left in my suitcase back at the outfitters that I didn't bring. Extra underwear and socks. Yes, I know. Do not. I thought I packed some in my bag, but apparently I did not. So that's gonna be rough. So I have my socks that I wear when I go paddling, and I have my socks that I wear when I'm in camp. So my feet are nice and dry, and my different change of shoes. I have Crocs. They're like Crocs. They are nice and comfy around camp, though, that's for sure. It's nice to have a pair of shoes that slip on and off and that are comfy to walk around camp and just kind of relax. Don't get me wrong, this place is ridiculously gorgeous out here. It is something else. The sounds. Last night I felt like I went to bed and put on like a tape that was like nothing but the sounds of nature. Whole other whole other world of experience. Mosquitoes suck. Literally. The last portage I went through, you might as well have called it mosquito portage because it's what the whole portage was. I'm trying to hold things and they're coming after me and they're getting into my hands or trying to get in my face, so I finally like put my head net on. And then like they're just attacking my hands. I've gotten bit quite a bit out here already in the last couple days. Bug spray is your friend and a head net is your friend. I guess we'll see what happens in about 5 hours. There's also a long lingering sunset here. It's crazy. Woo! Come on in. Water's great. Oh. Oh my gosh. Not even bite my penis. Yeah, it's close enough. It's 8:10. I'm gonna finish off the last of the s'morgasm. Fortunate it's cloudy again, so I won't see these magnificent stars I so hear about. Cheers! Cheers to all the crap that you gotta endure and yeah, my air mattress is. When I checked on it, it's yeah, it's not holding itself together. So I took a bunch of my extra clothes and I kind of made a little makeshift bed, stuffed it under the pad. I'll have to deal with it tonight, unfortunate. It's not the comfiest. But maybe I could take some of the soap that I have here and re-clean the hole and maybe do it right. Because I only have just a little bit more of this stuff left and that's it. It's alright. Pick my nose right on camera. Don't worry. There ain't nobody around to see. I haven't talked to a single person all day. I've seen like a couple people today, and that was it. Otherwise, I didn't really see anybody much today. Pretty quiet. Hopefully tomorrow for my birthday I can see some stars. The weather looks a lot better. So I guess we'll have to wait and see. I miss my Mr. Bruce. I miss my dog. Haven't seen him in like 5 days. This would be the longest that we've been apart. I mean, he would love the water aspect of being out here, but he would hate the bug aspect. He goes nuts over mosquitoes. It's just driving me crazy. I am chewed up so bad right now. It is, and I'm only on my second day. I've used bug spray, a head net, I cover up. I'm trying everything to not, but they are just relentless. Oh my gosh. They don't stop. And when they get an opportunity, boy, do they take it. It is beautiful out here, though. Amazing. Amazingly beautiful. I don't regret my decision of not coming. I just regret the fact that I should have grabbed my better air pad, even though it took up a little more space. Put in the... It's like a red daddy longleg. I have never seen a red daddy longleg. The bugs out here are something else. There are species of bugs I couldn't even tell you what they are. I've never seen before. Tons of birds, yes. Lots of birds out here. And like a bajillion mosquitoes. I'll have 2 portages tomorrow. I'm gonna go through Ensign Lake, and then I'm just gonna jolt across that real quick. And then I'll be going to Trident Lake. That's a little smaller lake. There's 2 campsites on that. I'm hoping that I can at least get one of them. And I'll stay there tomorrow for my birthday. Hang out there, drink my growler beer finally, and just circle around the lake and fish. And then Thursday, I'll move over to the next lake, Frog Lake. And it's got 1 campsite on there. Hopefully, if it's open, I can take it. I'll stay there Thursday. And then Friday, I'll head out and I'll stay close to the portage that I will be getting picked up for the last 2 days of my trip. But don't get me wrong, I'm gonna go out and like fish like crazy. It's only day 2. I might throw in a line here soon. I don't know. Why not? That's what I'm out here for. Well, that's it for day number 2. It's about 9 o'clock, and I'm gonna go to sleep on my really messed up bed. This is where it all started. The moment I've been waiting for.